Hey techies and AI enthusiasts, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video we are going to discuss about Ollama. So in this particular video I'm going to show you all how you can install Ollama and how you can install the LLM models locally in your laptops and you can run it and even you can use that model for the further processing. So just stay till the end of this particular video to know more about Ollama, and if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and on the bell notification to get more interesting AI videos and data science videos like this. So guys, now let's not waste our time. Let's dive into my computer screen and discuss more about this particular topic. So guys, firstly, let me just tell you all what is Ollama. Ollama is like you can say it's a command line interface which allows you to download the open source language models like Llama 2, Mixtral, or even there are many open source language models like even Gemma is there. You can install them and you can run locally on your laptop. You can fine tune them and you can create a custom models based on them. You don't require to pay anything. So the main ideology of Ollama is to make it open source and everyone should be able to create their own language models and fine tune them. So it was actually a good idea. In this particular video I'll show you all how you can install Ollama, and going forward I'll tell you some more interesting points related to Ollama. So let me just search for Ollama here. We'll get the first website here. Just click on that. Now you can see here, if you just click on this models, right, you get many open source models here. Like you have Gemma, you have Llama 2. You can see here pull requests 860.5k pulls have been made and even 102 tags. You can see here it's continuously updating. You can see even the updated 2 days ago. Gemma has been updated 2 days ago. So the models which you will be downloading, you have to even make sure that you're gonna see them because they will be continuously updating, and based on the updates, if you require, you can re-download the models. So like you can see even Falcon is there, Dolphin PHI, why, and even you can see here there is something called as Code Llama 2. All these open source models are available. Actually you can use them also in your Google Colab, or you can install them and use, but Ollama will make you more handy and you can install them and even you can push them to your Ollama web page where you can access them. So it's completely good, you can say. Now let me just show you all how you can install this. Just click on download. Once you click on download, you will get the options here. It's available for Mac OS, Linux, and in Windows. Windows and Mac OS, just one click, it will get downloaded. But when it comes to Linux, here you can see this is the command. Make sure you copy this command and run, it will get downloaded. Okay. Now just click on this download button, immediately it will get downloads. So I already have downloaded Ollama, you can see here. I have just cancelled it and even I have removed that because I already have Ollama. If you just see here, I guess you can see here the icon. So you can see here Ollama is running. This is Ollama's icon. You can see here it is running right now. Okay. So just click on download and normal double click and install. How you normally install the applications, you're going to install Ollama in the same way. Okay. So let me just tell you all what is the main advantage of Ollama. Okay. So if you see the OpenAI, Gemini, and even Mixtral, they have come up with the API keys. So if you want to learn LLMs and if you want to code, or else if you want to fine tune the LLM models, you have to use their API keys. So if you want to use their API keys, obviously you have to pay the money, whatever it is there for the tokens you use. So to overcome that, they all are not open source models. They all are like pay as you go. How much you're gonna use, you're gonna pay amount for that. But to overcome that, now you have this all the open source models available. Even Meta's Llama 2 is open source, and Ollama is gonna give you like you can say it is gonna help you to install and you can fine tune and you can run it. I'll show you all how you can fine tune in my next video, and upcoming videos also I'm gonna show you all how you can create the projects with Ollama, and also how you can install Docker containers of Ollama instead of installing it in your local system, how you can run the Docker containers. Everything will be interesting, so make sure you subscribe the channel and on the bell notifications to make like get the latest AI updates. Okay, so if you just click on download and you will get it over. So that's all guys. Now just go to your terminal. For that I'll just run Windows R CMD. So I got here, so you can see here now this is running. So there are some certain commands to run Ollama. So there are some commands which you can use. So if you see here, Ollama list. So if I just type this, you can see here, I have installed Llama 2B 2 billion parameters model, and the ID of it size is 1.7 GB, and I have modified it 11 days ago. So you can see here, I have only installed this, left out models, I have removed them. Now I'll show you all. So you can see here, this is Ollama's official GitHub page, you can say. I'll give you this Ollama's GitHub page link below. You can have a look on that. You can see here, Ollama run Llama 2. So it is gonna install. These are the commands how you can download Ollama, and even you can customize the model for customizing, and other commands are there. So first let me just show you all how you can install it. So like for example, let me install the lighter version from this. I have installed Gemma 2B 7B, no, Oracle Me. So you have all this from this. Which can I install? Okay, let me install Llama 2 only, or let me just install Mixtral if Mixtral is available. There is Mistral, yeah, Mistral. You can see here Mistral, it's 4.1 GB. So let me just go with this one only, Llama 2. I'll just copy this command and I'll paste it here. Ollama run Llama 2. If I just run this, so you can see here pulling manifest. So if the model is available, it will start to run that model, or else it will start to install the model. Okay. So guys, I have just paused the video so that let it to install. You all can see here. Still it's getting installed. 1.9, it's 2 GB is done. Let me just pause out for another 2 minutes. It will get installed. It depends on your internet speed. So how much speed is your internet? So based on that, it gets installed. So for me, it's running at 2.58. Yeah, 10 Mbps speed it's running right now, but it's taking time because it's 4 GB, right? It's fine, let it to install completely. Let me just pause the video again. So it's about to get installed, guys. You can see here more 600 MB left, so it will get installed within another seconds. So by the time, you can just see here in this, you can see a CLI reference. So if you want to create your own like model, or if you want to pull a model, so you can use this. Normally that command Ollama run Llama 2, this is to run the model. But if you want to like pull the model, you can use this. And if you want to remove some model, you can use this particular command. I'll show you all. So if the model is not installed, then only it will automatically install if you run this command. That is the main advantage of this particular command. So I have just showed you all to run the command. So now you can see here it's about to be installed 3.5. It depends on the speed completely, like how speed is your internet and how fast it's gonna pull from the website. Okay, so last 200 MB. So I'll just show you all these commands, and you will be getting this particular GitHub link, and even this download website link also in this video description. You can download it. And guys, I have my own Discord community where I'll be personally texting you all. If you all require, you can message me and you all can connect with me over there. So I have given my Discord channel link in this video description. You all can connect me over Discord and you can message me there. So it's about to get installed. Okay. Last one point. It's done almost. Yeah, 100% it's done. Now it's pulling it for like what are the left out things are there. It's just pulling them. Time, so you can see here it's getting installed. So to install this or use this, if you have GPU in your laptop, it will be plus. So those who all want a laptop recommendation, so guys, I feel I'm using Asus Tough Gaming. So this is at the reasonable cost. Also, you'll get it around between 50 to 60, which has a better GPU. So you can see it's done, which has a better GPU. You can just check with this or even the latest one, but make sure you go with NVIDIA GPUs. So if you have NVIDIA GPUs, it will be handy for you to learn data science. Don't take like I would recommend you all instead of checking the AMDs, make sure if you get NVIDIA for your budget, you go with NVIDIA GPUs. Okay. So here I'll just ask. See, I can ask here like Or else let me just think of a question. So, what is YouTube? So you all can see here, it's just generating. YouTube is a free video sharing platform where users can upload, share, and view videos. It's found in 2005. So you can see here, former PayPal employees, later acquired by Google in 2006. So you can see it's generating, but it's for me it's generating a bit slow because it's using more GPU at the back end. Even the OBS is running and even my broadcast is running. So even this Ollama, so the GPU usage is very high in my laptop. Because of that, it's taking a bit time. But you all can see how it's generating the things. It's not stopping, yeah, okay. So based on the data it has, it is just generating it. The model which it is having, so it's a 7 billion data set, I guess, right? Yeah, it's 7 billion. So only it's generating based on the data set available to it, and it's trained on which. Let me just stop it here. Okay, so I have just stopped it here because it's continuously generating, but you can see here, you can see the output here. So now if you just type like exit, enter. So now it will come out of the Ollama model. No, it's not, okay, okay. Let me just q slash by. Yeah, just these are the commands, control plus D to you or control plus D exit. Okay, so to exit you can use control plus D or slash by. So I have used slash by. So it got exited. So you can just see now the list. I am using Ollama 2 latest model which is of 3.8 GB and it got installed, and this is my ID of Ollama. Okay, so you all can see here. Now if I go to my GitHub and you can see here, this is to create a model file, and this is to pull Ollama and to remove. So let me just copy this command. I'm not gonna remove Ollama. However, I thought to reinstall Gemma, so I'm just gonna remove Gemma 2B. So I'm just gonna enter, deleted Gemma 2B. So now you can see the list, it's gone. Within a second, the 1.7 GB data model of Gemma is got deleted. You can see here multi-line input. So you can give even multi-line input if you want to give multi-line input at triple quotes. What's in this image? So you can even give the image and even ask it based on the image. So let's give a try. Let me just open any image if I have right now. Just let me just have a look on pictures. Okay, I'll take this image for now. Or let me just take this image. This looks a bit good. Copy path. Okay. So what was the question? For me before that, let me just make it run. Ollama run Llama 2 image, and you are gonna just give the path. So you can see here it is generating. It's gone. I can't satisfy your request. An AI model, and I don't have access to the contents on your computer file. It's important to respect people's privacy. So okay, it's not getting access, but here it was able to see. It was able to access the content in the laptop. You can see here there is a answer here. Might be due to the privacy concerns. Now they might have disabled it. So that's all. These all are the commands which you have of Ollama. You can just give a try on this. And if you just want to stop this, just slash by. But you can see here, if you close the terminal also, Ollama will be running here. So to stop this, either you can give a left click and quit Ollama if you are a Windows user, or you can just click Ollama stop. Unknown command stop. Okay, there was a command to stop Ollama. Okay, you can directly like just give slash by and you can close the model, and here you can directly quit it. So just click on quit Ollama and immediately it will get closed. Okay. So guys, that's all for today's video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel and just go through this Ollama documentation. You'll get more details. So meet you all in the next video. Bye bye.